Right, so let's continue. Height naman yung kunin natin dito, yung height ng mga high and low waters natin. So from here, from the part 1, yung na-solve natin is this one. So yung mga heights niya, 1.4, 2.1. So saan galing to? So these are the heights sa standard port mo. Okay? So ito, lipat mo lang dito. So make sure that kung anong time dito, ganun din yung magiging height niya. So 1230 to 1.4. Right? Okay. So na-transfer na natin yung height. So sa seasonal change, you already know this one doon sa ano natin, sa previous. So yung seasonal change na yan, dito mo makikita sa seasonal changes. And then pag sa standard port, you get the standard port na index number. Okay? Then, yun, na-input na natin. So May, this one. So yan yung seasonal change ni standard port dito. Okay? Now we go to the height differences. So saan ba makikita yung differences? Ito, yung differences na i-input natin dito. So you find that one here. Yung differences na yan is dito, height differences. Okay? Now, uh, sa standard port mo, meron kang 1.4 na height. So, di ba dito tayo titingin? Okay. So, sa 1.4 na height, go here. Di ba may makikita ka dito? These are the heights of your standard port. So, ang differences nandito sa baba. So, pag nakalagay dyan 1.4, dahil 1.4 naman yan, so ano yung nasa baba ni 1.4? That is negative 0.8. So, direct mo na lang transfer yon kasi 1.4 and the differences for the secondary port is negative 0.8. So, 0.4, ang lalagay mo dito, so, lagyan natin ng line dito. So, sa 1.4, ilan yon? That is negative 0.8. Right. So, we put negative 0.8. Okay? So, next one is the 2.1 naman. Yung 2.1, saan mo makikita si 2.1? 2.1. We have here 2.1. Ano yung differences niya sa secondary port? Negative 0.9. So, we put negative 0.9. Okay? So, dali lang, di ba? So, 2.1 and 1.4, 0.9 and 0.8. The next one is the etong 0.8. 0.8. So, paano natin hanapin si 0.8 na wala naman siya dito sa ating standard port? So, meron tayong 0.6, 1.1, 1.4, and 2.1. So, taasan si 0.8. So, between here, 0.6 to 1.1, nandun si 0.8. Diba? So, pero di natin alam kung ano yung differences niya dito sa ating secondary port. So that this time, doon na papasok yung ano natin, yung interpolation na diniscuss natin sa classroom. So before natin isolve si 0.8, unahin muna natin yung pinakamadali. the 1.1. So ano yung sa 1.1 natin? So we have 1.1 here, we have negative 0.7. So para mabilis tayo, i-input muna natin si negative 0.7 before tayo mag-interpolate. Okay. Now, almost complete na siya. Yung kulang na lang is yung 0.8 natin. So paano ba natin isolve si 0.8? So this is how you interpolate the height differences. So ang kukunin natin na since 0.8 to, dyan, wala tayong number dahil 1.1 at 0.6 yan, 0.8 to. So 0.8 is between 0.6 and 1.1. Pero di natin alam kung ano yung differences niya. So paano natin i-input yun? So using the interpolation na ano natin, i-transfer natin yon pa horizontal, pa vertical. So 1.1, ang equivalent niya is negative 0.7, diba? Then we have 0.8, which is hindi natin alam yung equivalent. And then meron tayong 0.6, which is ang equivalent niya is negative 0.5. So lakihan natin para mas klaro. Okay. Hope that is clear. Ito siya. Ito yung ginawa natin. Itong 0.1, then 0.7. So that is, ayun. And then 0.6, 1.5 yung nasa baba. Right? And the 0.8 is yung hindi natin alam. So this is the 0.8 dito. Okay? So kung nabibilisan kayo, you can repeat the video para di kayo mawala sa solving natin. So here we can do interpolation na tayo. Ba? So paano ba natin i-interpolate yung ating, okay, this one and this one. So 1.1 and 0.8. Okay, here 1.1 minus 0.8. Ang sagot nun is, so minus natin, 1.1 minus 0.8. That is 0.3. Let's open para makita nyo. Here, 1.1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.3. So meron kang 0.3. Then the next one is ito naman, 1.1, 0.1 minus 0.6, 0.5. So that is over 0.5. Okay, then it's equal to, dito naman tayo, 0.7 minus the question mark. Lagay natin siyang x. So you have x here. Then 0.7 minus negative 0.5, that is equal to negative 0.2. Okay, now we have 0.3, 0.5, and 0. So, hanapin natin anong value ni x. Okay, from here, kailangan lang natin ilipat si negative 0.2 papunta doon. Okay, so we cross multiply. So we multiply negative 0.2 here, and then we multiply negative 0.2 here. So ma-eliminate na natin 0.2. And then we have here, eto, i-execute na lang natin so that we can find x. Okay, so first off, i-execute natin 0.3 divided by 0.5. Okay, so 0.3 divided by 0.5. So that is 0.6. 0.6 times negative 0.2 equals x. So execute nyo siya, i-times nyo yan, dalawa na yan. That will give you an answer of, okay, calculator, negative 0.2 times zero point 0.6. So 0.12, negative 0.12 equals x. So hindi pa yun ang sagot kasi x siya. Okay? So that is negative 0.7 minus x. Okay? Kunin natin to, negative 0.7 minus x equals question mark. So ito yun. Ito yun. Okay? Next. So negative 0.7 minus negative 0.12 equals. So minus natin siya. That would be negative 0.58. Ito na yung magiging sagot mo ngayon dito sa negative 0.7 and negative 0.5. Right? So that's how you do linear interpolation. So, yung tawag natin doon is linear interpolation. So ang sagot pala dito is negative 0.58. So I hope nakuha natin lahat. To check if correct yung answer natin, your answer should be, yung value ng answer nyo should be between ganito din, sa 0.5 and 0.7. So baka kasi ang sagot nyo is 0.71. Hindi naman ang value ni 71 is not between 0.5 and negative 0.5, 'di ba? Kasi ang range nito is 0.5 to 0.7 lang. So if 0.71, nandun na yun sa taas. So that would be an invalid answer. So nakuha na natin siya using the linear interpolation, the negative 0.8. So balik tayo dun sa form natin. Here we can input na yung 0, negative 0.58. Here, dito na yon sa negative 0.58. Yan. Okay. So now, the differences is complete. Yung differences natin, kompleto na siya dito. So, ang hahanapin natin next is the seasonal change. Yan, ito, seasonal change naman. That is a seasonal change for the secondary ports. So, saan ba natin makikita yan? So, dito makikita si seasonal change in mean sea level Kung sa secondary port naman, given naman yon that the secondary port number is the 4966. So dito naman sa baba meron kang 4938 and then the month is May. So ano yung seasonal change niya? That is 0. Okay? So ang i-input mo dito is 0. Okay? So lagyan natin siya ng 0. Dalawa. Okay? 0. Now we can compute our secondary port heights. Sa heights na tayo. So paano ba gagawin natin doon? So make sure, eto mag-a-add up lang tayo. So unang i-add natin yung 1.4 muna ni standard port. Dito muna tayo sa first high tide, ano ba to? Low second high tide. No, sa high tide, dalawang high tide kasi yan, dalawang low tide. So unahin natin yung high tides ah, ni secondary port. So just put a line here. Lagyan natin ng line yan. Okay. So, sa 1.4 muna tayo. Ano yung i-add up natin? So, let's do the computation ng height. So, ang i-add natin dyan is here. So, we have 1.4. Etong lahat ng nasa ibabaw. Negative 0.1, negative 0, sorry, negative 0.8, and then yung 0. Okay, ulitin natin. So, we highlight na lang para hindi kayo malito. Sa form nyo, we have the heights. Diba? Then, we also have the seasonal change here. Yan, the seasonal change. And then the differences. And then the seasonal change na naman. So, ang i-add natin, kasi sa form yung dikit-dikit yan. So, pag ito yung kinuha natin, the high water dito sa baba, sa ibabaw na 1.4, i-add natin siya sa seasonal change, sa differences, and then the seasonal change naman ah, nung secondary port. So, here you can see meron kang 1.4, and then the seasonal change is negative 0.1, and the differences is negative 0.8, and the seasonal change is 0. So, para makuha mo yung height dito, i-add mo lang to. Okay, so let's add 1.4 minus 0.1. I-add. Kung ano yung sign ni seasonal change, yun yung i-execute mo. If that's negative, then that's minus. If that's positive, then that's plus. 1.4 minus 0.1 equals 1.3 minus 0.8, that is 0.5 minus 0, that is 0.5. So, yung unang height mo dito is magiging 0.5. Right? So, lagay na natin si 0.5 positive. Okay. Pagkatapos nun, you can put yung 1220 pala. Hindi. Tuloy muna natin yung mga heights. Okay, you have 0.5 here. Now, next, yung 2.1 naman. So, 2.1, negative 0.1, negative 0.9, and then the 0. Okay, i-add natin. I-execute natin yan sa the calculator. 2.1 minus 0.1 is 2 minus 0.9 1.1 minus 0, that is 1.1. So, lagyan natin 1.1. Then the next one is ito naman. 0.8 minus 0.1 minus 0.58 minus 0. Okay, so 0.8 minus 0.1 minus 0.58, that is 0.12. So, lagyan natin dito 0.12. And the last one naman, the 1.1, negative 1.1, negative 0.7, and then 0. So 1.1 minus 1.1 minus 0.1 minus 0.7, 0.3. 0.3. So now, kompleto na yung times of ng height and time of low tide, low tide and high tide ng secondary port. So dito makita natin meron na tayong time 0427, high 1220. Then dito na tayo mag-input na tayo nung height nila. Okay? Height in meters. Yan. So sa form natin, titingnan lang naman natin kung anong nangyari doon sa oras na yon. So sa 12:20 here, 12:20, 21:37, 04:27, 15:05, ito naman yung katumbas na mga heights nila. Right? So let's transfer isa-isahin natin. So sa una muna, sa low water, sa 0427, ilan yung height nun? That is 0.12. Very good tayo. 0.12. Lagyan na lang natin. 0.12 ang height niya dyan in meters. Kuha natin. So, 0427, this is the height. So, ayan. Next is the 1220. So, sa 1220, this is the height, the 0.5. 0.5. Okay? So, yun yung height niya sa 1220. Ito naman, natin ng line. Yan. Diyan. And yan. Okay. Now, sa 1505 naman. So, 1505, this is the height. Okay. 0.3. And the last one, yung ano natin, the high water naman, sa 2137, that is 1.1. Okay. So, ulitin natin. Lahat ng height dito, dito natin kinuha. Lahat nung heights dito, dito din natin nakakuha. Okay? So, yung 1220, eto yon. Okay. Yung 0427, eto naman yon. And then yung 1505, this one. And then the 2137 is this one. So, hope na kuha na natin. So, that is how you compute the tides nung using the Admiralty tide tables. So if you have any more questions, you can ask in the Google Classroom or pwede din kayo mag-comment sa video na to if you have something na hindi naintindihan sa tutorial. So I hope na nakuha lahat. And if hindi pa, you can just repeat the video. Dalawang video to, part 2 na ito. We have the part 1 uploaded here dyan sa ating channel. So you can check that one out. So, guess that's all for this tidal calculations na tutorial.